Hey guys, it is me Tanya, founder of the TNG Designs Group Limited. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. Now in today's video we're going to be talking about what is your brand story. Now before we actually get into it, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any videos that I go ahead and post. And equally folks, remember to stick around to the very end because I've got a really cool gift to be able to share with you. So let's get straight into it and let's go. So the reason why I wanted to do this video is because I've had a few people come up to me, Tan, why do I even need a brand story? What does that even do for me? Well, here's what it will do for you. It will be the thing that will help you to start winning over your competition. It'll be the thing that will actually help you to start making those better connections with the right audience. And it will be the thing that will help you to show up, step up, and be seen as that authoritative figure that you know that you are. So that's what a brand story will do for you. And do you know what? When I get to actually help my clients with what theirs is, I ask them certain questions to help them think about that. You know, what they can actually do to make sure that they are doing those things, stepping up and showing up with their authenticity, even more so, because that is super important. And it's my belief that, do you know what? In this day and age, now more than ever, you actually get to be you. You actually get to stand within your own true light. You don't have to pretend to be this ridiculously huge, big business that doesn't even mean anything to you. You get to be you because people buy from people. People buy from the authenticity of what it is that makes them them, equally what it is they stand for, equally, obviously, what their product or service can actually do for them. And as we know, usually their pains, their problems, you know, just the overlining situations, but there's a lot more deeper issues sometimes. And with your brand story, you get to resonate with people on a different level that actually helps them to realize, do you know what? This person can really, really help me out with my whole situation of what it is that I'm needing from them. So, folks, things that you need to make sure that you are asking yourself. Number one, first and foremost, who are you even doing this for? Who is that person? Now I know I've spoken to you guys about your audience. Who are they? What do they actually mean to you? Equally, what can you actually do for them? Truly do for them? Now with your brand story, you're going to be able to resonate with them on a level that, as I said before, allows them to connect with you. Because you're going to be doing something which is going to be super cool, which is creating the idea of commonality. When you have that commonality factor, especially when you start relaying through your story, what that is for you, whoever that may be, and whoever that may be in terms of like you're helping, when you start to resonate with that commonality factor is when you start hooking people into who it is that you are and making them, I guess, understand your fight, your cause, the reason why you do what you do. And equally, that's the other thing that you should also be thinking of within your brand story. Why are you even doing this in the first place? I'm not talking about because you want to make extra money. No, we're not talking about that. We're talking about the real reason. Remember I said to you just a minute ago, what is your fight? What is your argument? What is it that you're trying to stand for? What happened to you that really affected you and equally triggered you to creating this product, to creating this service? What is that aspect? Because again, it creates that commonality factor. When you have a common ground, what happens? Like starts liking like, and equally, you start attracting people who actually resonate with your story. And equally, you start attracting people who equally align with your values. I'm going to quit saying equally, but you get the gist. Folks, your brand story is super important to be able to make sure that you have that common ground with all those who you're trying to reach. The other thing that you want to make sure that you are doing, not only figuring out what it is that you're doing, but equally who you're serving and why you're serving them, but equally, what is the general purpose? And I'm not talking about the surface level purpose either. In general, your brand story goes a hell of a lot deeper. I'm talking like below surface level. Because if you don't start resonating with what truly triggers you, with what truly annoys the hell out of you, or equally inspires you to go ahead and create this beautiful product that you know that you have, or this beautiful service that you know that you can provide for others, if you don't start tapping into that yourselves, then why should other people tap into that for you? Why should they get anything from you? It's a way of celebrating who you are by notifying others, this was my journey. This is what I experienced, and I don't want you to experience the same. You're taking people on a journey. That is the main crux of your story. So when you get to take people on your journey, they get to understand things a lot more, and they get to understand, right, I now understand how you can actually help me. I now understand that this person has the tools, the service, the product to be able to take me from one step to the next. So I no longer have to feel in this pain. I no longer have to have that problem, because they get me because of their story, which I resonate with. So folks, really think about that. What is your brand story? And you know what? In another video, I'm actually going to share with you what my brand story is. But equally, folks, as I said, remember to go ahead and download my guide, because I'll be able to share a little bit more with you as to how you can go about elevating your brand. And I'm going to share 6 really cool principles that will allow you to understand what it is that you can do to be able to take your brand to that next level, so you can start winning against your competition, so that you can actually start showing up with the authenticity that you know you have, and equally allow your brand, your business, your product, your service to get that recognition that you know it deserves. So folks, go ahead and download that guide. Equally, remember to subscribe and like my channel as well, so you do not miss out on any videos that I go ahead and upload. So folks, enjoy whatever it is that you're doing. Think about what your brand story is. Go ahead and share this video with others as well, and I will see you on the other side. Take care, guys.